Hey, welcome to this video, how to delete messages for everyone on iPhone. To delete message for everyone on your iPhone, press and hold the message bubble and tap undo send. Alright, this feature only works on iMessage, blue bubbles, and must be done within 2 minutes of sending the message. So consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel.